Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, we'll take a complete look at Magic Hour AI and explore its features step by step. I'll guide you through the account setup process, give you a quick tour of the interface, and show you how to use its main tools. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use these features to create AI-powered content quickly and efficiently. So let's get started. First of all, log in to Magic Hour AI and click Continue with Google to create your account. After logging in, you will see the main interface of the website. In the upper right corner, you will notice that you have received 400 welcome credits. In today's video, we'll focus on the 4 main tools: text-to-video, face swap, image generation, and talking photo. Below these, you'll also find other popular tools such as image-to-video, video face swap, and many more. Further down, you can explore all the available tools, including the latest additions and the most popular tools picked by users. Let's start with our first tool, text-to-video. You'll see several options on the left side where you can choose the feature you want to use. Below that, you'll find the start frame and end frame options, which are optional. Next is the prompt box. You can also add different effects to improve the result. Below that, you can choose the AI model. Then, there is settings, where you can select the video duration from 3 seconds up to 30 seconds. You can also choose the video resolution, with support for up to 1080p. This video uses 72 credits to generate. Simply enter your prompt and click Generate. As you can see, the generated video looks very impressive. Now let's move on to our next tool, Face Swap. For faster results, I selected the photo option. Here, you can choose between face swap, head swap, and body swap. First, upload your original image. Then, upload the new face you want to use. In this example, I'll choose head swap. You can also reverse the image if needed. Once everything is ready, click Generate Image. You can download the result instantly with just one click. Now let's move on to our next tool, Talking Photo. On the left side, upload an image and an audio file. I'll upload the image that I just created. Next, you need to add audio. You can use the text-to-speech feature. You can also upload your own audio file, so I'll choose text-to-speech. Since I'm using a MrBeast image, I'll select the MrBeast voice, enter my script, and click Generate. After the voice is generated, click Confirm, trim the audio if needed, and then click Generate Video. As you can see, the final result looks amazing.
How today we're pushing the limits like never before.
That's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.